Hey friends, I'm excited to share this ChalkMade Citrus Slice tray kit with you. Boy, that was a mouthful. This is what we're making today. This fun lemon slice tray. So I've already kind of opened everything. I did a separate video where I did the unboxing when I got this. So this kit comes with everything you need to create this project. So we've got the instructions, a couple of trays, and the squeegee, 3 paste singles. You've got this wonderful transfer, love this, and then you have your surface, and then of course it comes with the handles, and it also comes with the screws for each one, which I've already taken out. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do, since this is a brand new transfer, is I'm going to fuzz it. I'm just going to take my fuzzing cloth and add a little bit of fuzz to it to take a little bit of the stickiness away, just so that when we pull our transfer up, we're not pulling on it and stretching out our transfer. Be careful that you don't turn it back on itself, which sometimes happens, and if it does, just slowly pull it apart. Okay, so I'm gonna move that, and then I probably could have waxed my surface, but I forgot to pull out my wax, so we should be good though with these surfaces. Okay, so we're just gonna make sure that our transfer is nice and flat. I don't want any air bubbles. You can see there's a little bit of an edge on here as kind of a guide on where to put this. Okay, so I probably should have put my chalk paste out first. So let's see, we've just got 2 colors here. We've got Sunnyside and Bumblebee. So I'm just going to, and we're probably gonna use, I would guess, most if not all of this paste. So I'm just gonna empty it all into my tray. I don't anticipate having any leftover paste from this project. Let's see, so we've got 2 Sunnyside and 1 Bumblebee. And there's the second one. So this project, I am going to create this exactly how the instructions would tell you to do it. And then I'm gonna come back, actually, I'm gonna do another video showing a different version, or what you can do on the opposite side of that. So stay tuned for that. And like I said, this does come with a squeegee. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna start with this Bumblebee. I'm just gonna I did mix this a little bit with when it was inside the packet, just kind of, squeezing the packet to make sure the paste mixed, but I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit more with my squeegee there. And this project is gonna be so quick, you're not even gonna believe it. Okay, it looks like we do have a little bit of leftover, so I'm going to save that for another project. So what I'm going to do before I move on is I'm actually just going to pull up this transfer. I'm going to turn this around. And actually I should have cut my transfer. I didn't even realize I didn't do that. See, sometimes no matter how long you've been doing this, sometimes you forget what you were doing. I was so excited that I jumped right in and didn't cut my transfer. So I'm just going to pull that up just a little bit where I chalked, and that way I don't have to worry about that part drying. So then I'm gonna grab another squeegee. Your kit just comes with one squeegee, so you can just wash that off and use it again, or if you have a bigger one, I'm gonna use my bigger squeegee. I'm just gonna make quick work of this. Making sure that there's no lines on there, and then I'm just gonna pull up my transfer, which stuck to my table a little bit, so I'm just gonna gently pull that off my table. Make sure you cut your transfer before you start working on this project. Oh, look at that, look how fun! Look at that, how fun is that? So I am going to set my transfer on my backer sheet, and I'm actually going to cut out one of the, I'm going to set this aside for just a second, and I'm going to cut out, I think I'm going to use fresh squeezed. So I'm not going to cut the paper, I'm just going to cut the transfer. And then once I wash it, I'll cut the other one out so I can use it on another project if I want. Oop. Oh my goodness, my transfer's going with me. Okay. So I'm going to set that aside for a second, and I'm going to dry this. Okay, now that my tray is totally dry, make sure to dry it all. We don't want to smudge it. I'm going to use this fresh squeeze transfer, and again, this is a new transfer, so I'm going to fuzz it real quick. And I think I'm going to put it right about here, and I'm only going to press in right in the center. I'm not going to push that onto where I just chalked. Let's see. You can kind of see the curve right underneath it to kind of help guide you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a smaller squeegee, because I'm going to use, let's see, I was going to use the light one, but maybe I'll just use the bumblebee instead of the sunny side. I think I might do that. I think I'm going to just stick with one color. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. And do you see how quickly we made this project? Super quick, everything is given to you for this project to complete it. I love it. So let's dry this part right here. Okay, so now that that part is dry, all we have to do is add the handles, which I have right here. Okay, one handle down, one to go. And our citrus slice tray is all complete. I love how this project turned out. These ChalkMade kits are amazing because they come with everything you need to complete this project. Now I will say that the chalk paste is not food safe, so this isn't something that you would want to put food directly on, but I will probably still seal this because I will decorate with it, and I want to make sure that I protect the surface since I'll be putting things on it. And also I am going to be creating a project on the back side of this, so make sure you stay tuned for that project. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this project.